Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be more of a chit-chat, get ready with me, and just talking about my New Year's resolutions. How's it been? How's it going? How the holidays were. I know that the holidays are over, but I really haven't got to talk to you guys about what had happened and everything in my life, and I might as well just get more deeper in depth with you guys about things. And I thought, hey, let's just do like a simple look as well, because it is later in the day, so I can't do anything dramatic, but I can do some kind of a look that is fun. So yeah, but before we get into it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the little ring bell notification to be notified when I upload, and let's just get on into it. For eyes today, I'm using the Morphe R44 and Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. And if I don't mention something, everything will be listed down below as well, since I'm going to be trying to talk a lot about try to talk more about myself than the products. But yeah. Alright, so let's just get into it. So, 2018, I can't believe it's here. It's just insane to me. I can't believe 2018 has actually come. It's just crazy to me. But it's like a new year, new me kind of thing. It's like a new year, new you kind of vibe, which everyone has. It's not just me that has that, but I just feel like I'm still not in that zone yet. Like when it comes to YouTube, yeah, and like Instagram, but like my personal life, I just feel like it's the same old life that I had a month ago. I just feel like 2018, everyone's like, this is my year, which I don't not say that. I say like, you know, this is a year where I get to grow and become better as a person. But also, I kind of just let the years go by now and just let them kind of take its course in like their own type of way. I try not to get too many resolutions in my head, because then I'm somebody that gets really disappointed really fast when certain things don't go my way. And I know that shouldn't be something I do, but it is. I get really disappointed at myself and at what has happened in the year. Like 2017 was one of the hardest years mentally for myself. Just with everything that was going on in my personal life that obviously you don't see on camera or don't see at all. But it was definitely a year where I learned a lot, and it's a year where I was like, what the hell is going on, you know? But now I just feel like new year, new me kind of status, and I feel like, you know, try harder. Okay, sorry, I didn't do the other brow off camera, and my brother came and I was like, might as freaking well just stop recording. But as I was saying before I stopped, like before you last saw me, I'm doing eyes, by the way, because I realized I'm using some glitter today and I don't want it all over my foundation. Like, that's just not the thing. And I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion Eden. But what was I saying? Healthy life, like I feel like that's a lifestyle that you have to keep up. Like, of course I like to eat healthy stuff. Like, I like to eat salads, vegetables. I'm not one of those people that doesn't eat that stuff. I'm actually a very foodie person. Like, I like everything. There's certain things I don't like, obviously, but I like everything. And my boyfriend's a foodie too, so I mean, like, just, you know, sometimes I feel like once I get into that lifestyle, like, he's gonna be like, you know, are you never gonna eat with me again? Like, I'm sorry babe, I can't. But I think in healthy terms is like not eating bad every single day. Like I want to start eating a little bit healthier. And of course, like I won't give up everything at one time. Like I'm still going to eat bad stuff, but slowly but surely I'll gradually stop eating bad stuff. Like it'll just be like every once in a while stuff. I'm going to set that with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and it's in light. This one's light, but like I don't know if you can see that. Sorry if the light or something. Sorry about the light, sorry. This powder light, I tried it yesterday for the first time, and it was very like light. Looks very, it looks light, so like it looks dark in the pan, but it looks much darker on the skin, which I got also light medium, which right now I'm not that dark because obviously it's winter where I live and I'm not trying to get a tan. I don't go outside ever to try to go get a tan or anything. So I'm like, okay, great, like, great. And on, I'm just gonna put glitter glue, which is this is the NYX glitter glue, and I'm gonna just put it with my finger. What else is a resolution? Oh, I'm going to try to save up to get LASIK this year. I haven't, the only person I've like told about it was my dad. And he's like, you're going to save up for it? I'm like, yeah. You know, like saving up for it. Like I finally can say, like I saved up for something, and he's like, yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to focus this on the eye. And then I'm putting on the pigment right on top. Or, yeah. And I'll blend it on just a second. But I want to get LASIK. As you guys know, and what I've told you guys many times before, I'm as blind as probably a bat. I'm pretty blind. I can't see anything all the time. I wear glasses 24/7. And I mean, I don't mind wearing glasses. Like they're obviously now part of my face. Like they're a part of my life and they're a part of everything that I do every day. But it'll definitely be a hard transition. And then I'm going to take this like Morphe brush, this Morphe 517 and blend it out. And obviously my glasses are everything and more to me. They're everything that I strive for. Dang, that's a really good pigment. I'm taking Hoola and just putting it in my crease with this brush. It's just like, I feel like once I get LASIK, I'm gonna be like, I'm still gonna wear glasses, guys. I'm still going to find a way to wear glasses a lot, like in my videos, and I'll be like more trendy, I guess, when it comes to glasses, because right now I'm not that trendy when it comes to them. I just wear my regular Ray-Ban ones. They're prescription. I have prescription like sunglasses, but they're the prescription has expired, so I just don't wear them anymore because they are not to my eye shape anymore, or like my eye prescription anymore. They're very outdated, and I can't wear them anymore. So it sucks, but you know, my sunglasses, I never even wore them too much. Like I wore them every once in a while, but like I felt like they really like bothered me. Like I don't know why. I felt like sunglasses like bothered me so badly. I'm gonna do my lashes like in a little bit. I'm just gonna start the skin because I just want to start the skin already. The first thing I'm using is Primer Water by Smashbox. Alright, let's just move on with the resolutions. Another resolution is to post more, like post more on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and stuff. By the way, side note on that, I have a Twitter now, which is super crazy. I got Twitter a couple, like a week ago maybe now. I got Twitter and I'm so excited about it. I just feel like you get most of the information on there first, and then Instagram is second, and then obviously YouTube is third. Not a lot of people spill the beans on YouTube. They like to spill the beans more on Twitter, which is fine by me. That's all you know. I'm using Milani Conceal & Perfect, but the color of this is 02 instead of 04. And I'm using a Real Techniques buffing brush, which, as you see, I have breakouts everywhere. Like, I don't know what's been going on with me, but it's been mucho bad. It's the time of the month. I can feel it coming, and it's just like, ugh. That's what I'm starting though. I want to post somewhere. I want to post as much as I can throughout school because I'm taking so many units this semester. I'm taking 18 units. Oh, it's going to be a challenge, but I think that I could do it, and I just need to focus more. But focusing, also getting my priorities straight, knowing that this is a big priority in my life and I want to make a bigger priority. So I need to start, you know, making it a big priority and making it something I need to work on, you know, like posting more and being like, okay, I'm not going to go out today because I have to edit, I have to do homework, I have to do a bunch of stuff that I need to do throughout the week. One thing that I need to compromise on, which kills me to say because we've talked about it many times and he's told me to compromise before, but I always like feel bad. This is in my hair now. So if it gets in your hair, just take a makeup wipe and my boyfriend, I need to compromise on him, and also need to like tell him like, oh, we have, you know, I have my life and I need to figure out stuff. Which, again, it's not a bad thing, you know. For us, we've been together for so long that he knows that school and stuff is a priority, and also YouTube is my big priority as well. Like, I need to do really good on there. And be a bigger priority on there as well. What else do I need to talk about? New Year resolution stuff. Just like being more active, you know, like being more on YouTube, doing more stuff, being like wearing makeup to school and doing wear test at school, whether or not I feel embarrassed or not, like to like get over that and not feel embarrassed. I'm using the Rimmel concealer. I'll link it down below. You know, so trying to just post more. I think posting more is the key to success, honestly, in this industry. I think posting a lot more is the biggest success you can do. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder again in light to set. And I'm using a different sponge for powder. But this Rimmel concealer does not crease super fast. Like I used a concealer yesterday when I was playing with makeup on my Instagram. Why do I feel like I need to blend a little bit more shadow on the outer corner of this eye because I think I took it away. Ooh. But like it does not crease as quickly as the other concealer. So I'm just taking my beauty blender here regular ass beauty blender, dipping it into the powder, and then setting my under eye with it. Another thing I wanted to let you guys know is that, oh my god, it looks really red on me. What else are we gonna, oh, if you're using a sponge for powder, always change your sponge when you're using creams and powders, because I feel like that F's up the mojo if you don't. I've kind of noticed that. So I've changed out my sponges. When I'm using a sponge for concealer or liquids, I always use a different sponge for powder. Always, always. I don't know. It always just makes my skin much easier. What else I've been thinking about? Oh, just bettering myself. You know, I think that every day is a step. And every day is a step for me to, like, you know, improve who I am and improve who I want to be. Get healthier, improve who I am inside. Put myself first for a little bit. Which I never pretty much do. I always put my friends, my boyfriend, pretty much my boyfriend first through everything. Like, I always do, because he and I just have been together for so long now that I just put him first over everything I do. Which I know is not a good thing sometimes, because then you need balance between you guys and you get tired of that person. But he has 2 jobs, so when I do spend time with him, I spend that time because, you know, I don't get as much time as other people do with their boyfriends. And I know there's people out there that do long distance and stuff. I'm about like a 30-minute drive with traffic from his house, from my dad's house, so it's pretty far. It's pretty far for me and him. Like, sometimes he's like, just don't come over, we could just FaceTime if we're like really tired. He'll be like, don't come over, you know. So I'm gonna do my lashes. Actually, I'm gonna throw this on. This is Lancome Juicy Tube in Shimmer. I'm putting on shimmer first, which looks like that. It's a very shimmery one, obviously the name. And then on top, I'm putting Magic Spell, which I want to see which one's better, because I actually don't know. I'm going to quickly go put on mascara on my upper lashes and fix some of the mascara at the bottom, put lashes on, and then we'll be done with the look. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Lashes are on. They're Bronze Beauty by Idler and Vegas Nay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.